हरि ओम्। मयूराधिरूढं महावाक्यगूढं मनोहारिदेहं महच्चित्तगेहं महीदेवदेवं महावेदभावं महादेवबालं भजे लोकपालं। मयूराधिरूढं महावाक्यगूढं मनोहारिदेहं महच्चित्तगेहं महीदेवदेवं महावेदभावं महादेवबालं भजे लोकपालम्। अहं भजे, अहं वन्दे। I bow or my namaskarams to Subramanya Swami. How is this Subramanya Swami? Mayuradhirudham bhaje. He who has mounted the Mayura Vahanam. His Vahanam is Mayura, peacock. Mahavakyagudham bhaje. He who is the place where all the Mahavakyas are hidden. So the Mahavakyas, the four Mahavakyas we are aware of are Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, Prajnanam Brahma, Ayam Atma Brahma. So all these Mahavakyas are housed in Subramanya Swami. To such a Subramanya Swami, Mahavakya Gudham bhaje. Manohari Deham. How is his Deham? Swarupam is Manohari. Very Akarshanam, very attractive. Such a Manohari Deham bhaje. Mahachitta Geham. Geham means a living place, an abode we say, right? Yeah. So he who resides in the chittam of Jnanis. So Jnanavan means we have to understand that those who have Indriya Nigraham, they have controlled their senses. So Subramanya Swami resides in the chittam of such people. So to him, Mahachitta Geham bhaje. Mahideva Devam. Mahi means Bhumi. Mahidevanam Devaha Tam Mahideva Devam Bhaje. Mahideva means Raja. Because a king only protects the land, right? But for that king itself, who is the protector? Subramanya Swami. So Mahideva Devam. He is the king for all the kings. So Mahideva Devam Bhaje. Mahaveda Bhavam. He is the Bhavam of all the Vedas. If a Vedas need a Swarupam, we need to see a Rupam for that. It is Subramanya Swami. He is the house for all the Vedas. All the four Vedas, Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharva, reside in Subramanya Swami. Whatever the Vedas say, the Bhavam of it is Subramanya Swami. He is of that Swarupam. Mahaveda Bhavam Bhaje. Mahadeva Balam. He who is the son of Mahadeva, Shiva, Bhaje. Then Lokapalam. Because he is Mahideva Devam, he is Lokapalam. Mahideva only rules one particular area of land. Raja controls or protects only a particular area or a particular kingdom. But Lokapalam, Subramanya Swami, Chaturdasha Loka, there are 14 worlds. So he is the protector of the 14 worlds. So Lokapalam Bhaje. So to such a Subramanya Swami who has mounted the Mayura Vahanam, who is the repository of all the Mahavakya Tattvam, who has a Akarashana Sharira Swarupam, who resides in the Chittam of Jnanis, he who is above all the kings, he who carries the bhavam of all the Vedas, he who is the son of Mahadeva Shiva, and to him who protects all the lokas, bhaje, vande, mama namaskaraha. Mayuradhirudham mahavakyagudham manoharideham mahachittageham mahideva devam mahaveda bhavam mahadeva balam bhaje lokapalam. Ram Ram.